This is a used 2012 Dodge Charger. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by rear-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, a satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.